Have you ever experienced a blizzard? If not, I'm going to give you an opportunity right now. Open up the garage door into a winter world. There's the snowdrift right at the garage door. One off the car. And folks, I shoveled that this morning. So that's all happened in the last 3 hours. Let's see if I can't walk out here a little bit. Whew! It is chilly. Traffic is moving slowly. Plow guy over there. They've got plenty of work to do this week, that's for sure. Whoa, man, this snow is deep. Come on, focus. Trees are looking beautiful. Beautiful white. Let's walk out, I'll show you the road. Yeah, I gotta get out here and shovel. Ah! Should've. It's trash day. I don't know if they're gonna show up or not. Okay. I don't know if you can, it's sort of hard to see that, but there's no way I'm backing that car out of here. Gonna have to get the shovel out. Wind's blowing right out of the west. Ah. Yeah. I can't really see my steps here. Yeah, it's hard to tell how much snow we've gotten. Yeah, there's the front step. Snow drifting off the roof. Looks like we'll have to get out the electric snowblower and get started with this. It's interesting too because it is Groundhog Day, and the groundhog found his shadow and went inside, so that means we here in the United States are going to have 6 more weeks of winter.